What's important about giving assets away at least 5 years before going to a nursing home? Well, 5 years is the amount of time that Medicaid looks backwards for uncompensated transfers, for, in other words, gifts. And so any transfers that are made outside of the 60 months prior to applying for Medicaid benefits are not looked at by Medicaid. In fact, they cannot by law be considered by Medicaid. And so from an advanced planning perspective, if you have assets that are in excess of the Medicaid limits and your desire is to protect those assets for perhaps yourself or perhaps loved ones, then it becomes important to try to get those assets out of your name at least 60 months prior to your need to qualify for Medicaid benefits. If they're in your name within that 60 months, then one of two things are going to result. They're either going to be in your name at the time that you apply for Medicaid benefits, in which case you won't qualify because your assets are too large, or you would have transferred those assets out within that 60 months, resulting in a disqualification period of 1 month of ineligibility for every $5,700 transferred. If you've transferred those assets outside of that 60-month period, however, Medicaid cannot look at that transfer. They cannot penalize that transfer. There's no consequence whatsoever to that transfer.